Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2 and today we will be presenting set 2 on the topic compound interest and annuity for the course MET 112. Next, these are the members of our group. For the first question, Part A, Dr. Arwan, a 25-year-old currently employed at KB Medical Center, plans to open his own clinic within the next 7 years. To achieve this goal, he is considering two investment options as outlined below. From the table, for both banks, the principal is 145,000 ringgit. For Bank A, the interest rate is 6.5% and it is compounded every 2 months. That means the compounding frequency and is 6 times a year. For Bank B, the interest rate is 6.55% and it is compounded quarterly, which means 4 times a year. So, we will use the compound interest formula, which is A equal to P open bracket 1 plus R over N close bracket power N minus D. As we can see, the interest rate for Bank A is 6.5%, which is 0.065, and the interest rate for Bank B is 6.55%, which is also 0.065. For Bank A, the interest is compounded every 2 months, so we take 12 months divided by 2. This gives us 6 compounding periods per year. For Bank B, the interest is compounded every 3 months, so 12 divided by 3 equals 4 compounding periods per year. And for the time T is 7 years. For Bank A, we substitute into the formula A equals 145,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 6 close bracket power of 6 times 7. After calculating everything, the amount becomes 227,986 ringgit and 60 cents. Next, for Bank B, A equals 145,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0655 over 4 close bracket power of 4 times 7. After calculating everything, the amount becomes 228,496 ringgit and 40 cents. Second question, based on the above information, which bank should Dr. Arwan choose? Justify your answer. I think Dr. Arwan should choose Bank B because the interest rate compounded quarterly gives a higher final amount compared to Bank A.
So the question 2, Part A. Puan Mazia invested RM15,000 in an account for 12 years. The interest rate offered was 5.5%, compounded every 4 months for the first 9 years and 6% compounded semi-annually for the rest of the period. Find the future value of the investment. We're going to use this formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N. So the S value is the value that we want to find. The P value is 15,000. The I value is 0.055 divided by 3. And the N value is 27. So just put the value in the formula and you will get RM 24,497 and 41 cents. After that, just use the same formula. The S value is the value that we want to find. The P value is 24,497 and 41 cents. The I value is 0.06 divided by 2 and the N value is 6. So you're going to get the answer is 29,251 and 20 cents. So question 2 part B. Several years ago, Susanne deposit RM 8,600 into a saving account earning an interest rate of 3.5% compounded monthly. The account has now grown to RM 11,177 and 25 cents. Determine the number of years the money was invested. For this question, we're going to use this formula A equals to P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N. The A value is 11,177 and 25 cents. The P value is 8,600. The I value is 0.035 divided by 12. N value is 12. The T value that the value that we want to find. After that, you just put the value into the formula and you will get T equals to 7.3 or T equals to 7 years and 6 months.
Okay.
For the first question, part B, Z invested RM650 every 6 months into an investment scheme for 13 years that pays an interest rate of 5.4% compounded semi-annually. Find the future value at the end of the investment period. So for this one, we need to find the I first, which is I equals to K over M. So which is K is the interest rate of 5.4%. And the M is the compounded semi-annually, which is 2. And after that, we need to find the N. N equals to M times with T, which is 2 times with 13. And so we get the N equals to 26. And after that, we need to solve the question. So which is, we need to find the future value at the end of the investment period. We need to use formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N, which is P is 650 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.054 over 2 bracket power of 26. So we got the answer S equals to RM 1,299 ringgit 40 cent. So for the next question, Alia took a loan at an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly to finance her new kitchen cabinet. She plans to repay the loan over 6 years with monthly installment of 237 ringgit 40 cent. Determine the total cost of her kitchen cabinet if Alia already paid 1,500 ringgit as a down payment. For this question, we need to find the I first, which is I equals to K over M. So K is 0.044 and M is equals to 12, which is 12 stand with compounded monthly. So after that, we need to find the N. N equals to M times with T. M is 12 and we need to bracket with 6 since T is 10 to 6. And we got the answer N equals to 72. After that, we need to use the formula A equals to R bracket 1 minus with bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative N over with I bracket. So for the R is 237 ringgit 40 cent. As what we have been given just now, just put all the amounts into the formula, which is, we got the answer A equals to RM 14,998 ringgit 65 cent. Find the total investment, we need to use monthly installment, which is 237 ringgit 40 cent and times with 72. So we got the answer 17,092 ringgit 80 cent. So the total cost is 1,500 ringgit plus with 70,092 ringgit 80 cent. So we got the answer 80,592 ringgit 80 cent.
Question number 2. A. Farzana purchased a family studio priced at 220,000 ringgit. She made a 25% down payment and financed the remaining balance through a housing loan from a bank charging 3.43% interest compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid through equal monthly installment over a period of 20 years. Now, we need to know the repaid through equal monthly installment over a period of 20 years. So, we need to use the present value for the formulas. A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of negative N, over I, close bracket. The mature value after down payment is 270,000 ringgit times 75%, and the answer is 202,000 ringgit 500 is for your S. N equals to 240, I equals to 0.0343 over 12. After that, we just insert the number of given into the formula and you get the final answer is 1,167 ringgit 50 cent. Question B. If she fails to pay for the first 5 monthly payments, how much should she pay on the 6th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? So, we need to find the value of S. S equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N minus 1 over I, close bracket. And you get the final answer is 7,053 ringgit 30 cents. C. Calculate the outstanding balance if Farzana decided to settle the loan in single payment immediately after paying for 15 years. So, Farzana just paid 15 years. she needs to pay 5 years more to complete the payment. We need to use present value to know the matured value for the 5 years more. 5 times 12 equals to 60 months. The final answer is 64,268 ringgit 91 cents.